In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section. Following that, select this gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Now just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. If you can't see any of them, you can restart available devices by clicking on this icon next to them. Then finally, click on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Now select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this icon next to your device and select Unpair under Rename. You can always connect to the same one by tapping on it and following all of those instructions again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!